going on, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Finally pulled out the Mustang. She's been sitting for weeks. I'm debating on taking it into a car show right now, Little Cars and Coffee, but this shit is so dirty. And then I'm already running late, so I was debating if I should go wash it real quick or just say fuck it. But lucky enough, the car is black, so you can't see it too much, but it's fucking filthy. I literally haven't washed it ever since putting all the carbon on there. And yeah, it's kind of a hassle. There's only like one self wash around here, and that's like 20 minutes or 15 minutes back. So yeah, I'm contemplating about just taking it like this, dirty, or what. But yeah, it doesn't look that bad, so I'm thinking about just saying fuck it. Alright, we are off. Hopefully everything goes well. I feel like there's like 20 different check marks I gotta do before driving this car. It's a lot. And I feel like it's still not dialed in, so like, it's stressful. But we are off. We got like a little 17-minute drive. So hopefully it's not too bad. Alright, just made it off the freeway. Quick little scare, there's a highway patrol like literally sitting off the freeway. Scary. Alrighty, made it. A little stressful. Pretty sick turnout. I've seen a bunch of Porsches already down there. Cool little turnout. Parked right here. Gotta flex a little angle here real quick. Doesn't look that bad, even though it's dirty as fuck. Side skirt's falling off. But oh well. Cool little turnout. Get out, see some cool cars. It's super clean 240. This paint is popping on the Meisters. Super clean. Boy, got a fucking cannon right there. Clean RX-7. I got another crazy one right there too, but this one's super clean. The silver on like the gunmetal. I was honestly thinking about getting these before my TEs. Just change it up. I mean, they look like TEs, but everybody has TEs. That's why I wanted to get them. Damn, this thing's super clean inside. That is clean. Actually, a whole lineup RX-7s. I'm probably picking this one. This thing's super clean. Both time attack look. Big wing, TEs. The lever. I want to make fenders like that for the Mustang so bad. I think that looks so sick. This one too is even wide bodied. On the TEs. That's what I want to get soon. eventually down the road. I want to make some deep ones like that. I think that shit looks so crazy, especially on a Mustang. God damn. This is my little area. This is so fucking clean. And then you got this, then you got the 992 GT3 RS. But I'm gonna have to skip these real quick because this is the ultimate dream. No other car's topping this, at least in my opinion. Damn, on the white with like the champagne. Fuck, that is. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't think there's any car more beautiful than this one at the moment. But these ones too, I've seen them on Instagram quite a few times. This one's just UV purple, is so clean. But even this one's nice too. It's without the wing on it. I personally think that's really clean and different. But fuck, man. There's nothing that beats these cars. Oh, those seats are fucking beautiful. Damn. Makes me feel like shit bringing a Mustang and you got cars like this. The E88s, I'm pretty sure that's what they're called, and center lock. Cars are all shiny and glossy, and my shit's dusty as hell. Which one you guys picking? You guys picking big wing or little wing? I honestly think I'm picking this. I got this S15. Super clean too. A lot of good builds, honestly. You got FRSs, Porsches, I got Ferraris, GTRs. Nice little variety. This is fucking sick. The silver on chrome. I don't fuck with Ferraris, but this one I do. Right there, back seats. Drop the kids off in class. There's only a few Ferraris I like, and this is one. And it has fucking LMs on it. God damn. White on chrome. Can never go wrong with that. Another thing I keep thinking about doing is chroming out my TEs. This thing is super clean. We got the Beamer boys over here. M2, F80. White on red. Can never be beat. Clean. I keep looking at these, honestly. The market of them is they're going down. I found them for like low 30s, 31, 35, low mileage. But honestly, I'm really trying to get an M2, I think. Especially the new ones. Make those shit so fast. I found a white one. It was for like 62, I think. It's pretty low. It's a pretty crazy spec M2. Super fucking nice, I think. But yeah, I think I like the brown and a stick. Got the full screen. I don't know. I really contemplating getting one of these. This thing they're super clean. And all modern. I feel like you do bolt ons to this thing and they're fast as fuck. I feel like a lot of people didn't like them in the beginning, but I don't know. It's different. I mean, there's little mods you can change. I've seen the fenders. You can do the little levers on them. It changes it quite a bit. And I got the Porsche God, Mr. Nakai. Look at this fucking G80. A fat ass tire in the back. I love when they do the wheels like that. I've seen I don't know what company does it, but they'll bead lock the original like OEM wheel. Damn, that fucking thing is clean. I don't know. You guys picking that or M2 over? Which one? Honestly, feeling the M2 more. Got the R34 on the TEs. They're handing out R34s over here like candy. I do see a lot more JDM stuff like this up here that's like imported. So it is nice seeing a lot more like S15s, GTRs. This wagon is crazy. Thing is wide as hell. I've just been staring at these two pretty much the whole time. Nothing gets better. I will for sure own a GT3 RS. These cars are just so beautiful. Pretty clean C5. I feel like a lot of people are stancing these things out. They look clean. I have a homie on Instagram that has a C7 that actually just did yellow too. So it looks clean. That was a wrap. Cool little turnout, nothing too special. Nice to get out, take the car out, even though the shit's filthy as hell. I just wanted to get out and do some car related things, film. So it was nice to get out, see different cars, get the feel of the whole Bay Area. It's like my first meet with my car, so gonna head home. Nice little cruise. I'll set the camera up, see if we get any action. I was here at probably 10. Yeah. Appreciate it, thank you. I'm gonna take off. Me too. I'll see you around. Thank you. Side skirt fell off. Oh well. It didn't completely fall off. It was just right here on the side dangling because it was zip tied. But fuck it. As long as I didn't fully lose it, that's what would have been stuck. Shitty. But oh well. Everything, but gotta enjoy the journey. Even though it doesn't look good, even though things don't just happen overnight. That's why I keep trying to tell myself, like, chill, be patient, enjoy the journey. Because I be getting in my head, and then I think like everything needs to be done so fast, and then I'm trying to solve every problem all at once. And yeah, it's not like that. Tackle one thing at a time, and just start, honestly. Start whatever you're trying to do and you will learn. Like, I know it's scary, I know there's a lot. I'm going on like a whole spiel now, but like, take chances, learn, and just better yourself, honestly. If it's fucking a career you want, like whatever it is, please just start and you will learn so much. Yeah, we're like 8 minutes from the house. Gotta go put her away for who knows how long. But I do got some exciting news for you guys soon. A business idea, it's not an idea anymore because it's in action, but I got a video coming for you guys about that. And I'm gonna group like multiple videos into one, so it's not just kind of boring, like, oh, I got the new car or this or whatever it is. Like,
you guys can kind of like, it's well put together. So some good news coming soon. Exciting news, at least for me. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I would be probably starting a new channel for that, so that's exciting.